Hey guys, Cool Creeper here, and like I said in one of my videos, the fidget spinners came video, I said I would supercharge a fidget spinner, but instead of just using one, that I'd use 3. So here I have a black one, the black one from the video. It's hot glued onto this piece of wood, and it can spin. And so I have a popsicle stick, and I glued 2 red ones onto it. And I'll be supercharging one to go one way and another one to go the opposite direction. So, put it right here. So, okay, so here we go. Okay, make sure it's good. Don't get your fingers. Okay, so first we're gonna supercharge. So first we're going to supercharge this fidget spinner to go that direction. Then this one will go in the opposite direction. So here we go. Oops. Then this one, let's see, that one went that way. Ah! This is really hard. There we go. And now it is just spinning. So yeah, it's spinning now. Let's try this again. I don't know if the hot glue was strong enough, so we'll have to hold it here in the middle. This one will. How's your luck? Wow, that looks really awesome, guys. Like, that was crazy. Oh my gosh. That is just crazy. That is just like the craziest thing I've ever seen. Wow. That, like, I've never seen something that awesome before. If you look in the center, you can see like all the rings, and then on the outside you can see more of them. So wow, that was awesome. Now I'm just gonna try and just go like this, and I'm just gonna oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Wow. That's just awesome. I think that almost broke here, but for some reason the hot glue is actually turning purple. Okay. I don't know what to do now. Look at that. That is just crazy. So guys,